Hey everyone, tax harvesting. Is it a good idea? Is it worth the effort to save rupees 10,000? What is tax harvesting? Long-term capital gains on equity or equity-oriented mutual funds above rupees 1 lakh in a financial year is taxed at 10%. Now, many advisors are recommending the idea called tax harvesting, where you force sell and buy back and create a capital gain of up to rupees 1 lakh, thereby saving rupees 10,000 of tax every year. Is it worth it? Consider the following before going for tax harvesting. Assuming you have to sell 5 lakhs worth of equity or equity mutual funds to generate a capital gains of rupees 1 lakh and thereby save tax. The funds will reach your bank account in 3 working days. In these 3 working days, if the market moves up 1 to 2%, and given today's scenario, market moving up 1 to 2% in over 3 days is very possible. If that happens, you will end up buying the same units or the same equity at 5.1 lakhs or more, thereby nullifying your tax savings. Most equity investments are done through the SIP route. Now, all the units of the last purchased SIP transaction must have crossed 365 days because the mutual funds follow first in, first out rule. Now, if that has not happened, even if one transaction is less than 365 days, then that transaction will be attracting 15% capital gains. Furthermore, most equity funds will also have an exit load if there is a redemption in less than 365 days. Thereby, your entire tax saving will be wiped out and only create additional transactions. So apparently, the attractive rupees 10,000 tax savings has some practical implementation issues. However, this concept is absolutely good in one scenario where you want to convert your regular mutual funds to direct mutual funds. If you have invested in regular mutual funds, say 2 years ago, you would probably be sitting on a good profit. So what you can do is switch some part of your regular holdings into direct mutual funds. 2 benefits here. One is you wouldn't have to wait till the money comes to your bank and then you make the shift. It happens on the same day because it is just a switch transaction. And the second is you will actually get your capital gains and hence the tax savings. Happy to answer more questions. Keep writing to us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Follow us on YouTube. Thank you for this one.